Got a valve tie-in going on tonight. A little bit of road work for the boys in Livingston.
You know, this evening we're working here. We're going to do a valve insertion and run a new line into the job site.
You know, the real beauty is in the prep, and the guys they're knocking it out tonight. Things are going smooth.
First and foremost is safety. Make sure the men are safe, the hole is safe. You're watching anything and everything as a foreman here.
Nice and close, and we got to slide these out before we start tightening.
Cutting into the pipe, it was rooster tailing up and out of the pipe. This is typical and what's expected for when we're doing a tie-in. We have to bleed the pressure off of the main, and even if all the valves are shut, there's always going to be some residual water that's got to drain off. We've got 3/4 in the ground here. That's to help build a little bit of a sump so we can get it dried up, get a good working surface for the guys, and then we can drop in this valve cluster. This is going to head into the job, give the apartment complex water, as well as feed some of the fire suppression system. So we're doing our final hookup. It's 3 a.m. now. We're just getting through our last gas line. We're getting that exposed. We're gonna stub in our last piece of water main for the job, and we'll get to buttoning everything up. We'll have our paving crews come in, begin all the road restoration.